Okay guys, we're currently at Centuron, so we're doing the first car for the day. So previously it's a Ford Focus 1.6. so previously we did the major service on it. So while we're doing the major service, we noticed some few things on it. There was an oil leak, and also the cam belt was due, and the water pump was also leaking. So yeah, we were replacing the water pump guys, and the cam belt as well. It's the cam belt and the tensioner. This is the new water pump, and then the tensioner as well, and the belt plus this new bolt. We're gonna replace the bolt as well, and we will do this tappet cover gasket as always guys. We always replace that tappet cover gasket. And another thing that we're gonna do in this car is the clutch replacement. So we're starting with the cam belt. When we're done with the cam belt, we're gonna do the clutch replacement, because yeah, the clutch is worn out. So yeah, we're gonna do the clutch. So it's a Ford Focus 1.6. We're doing the cam belt service, the water pump plus the clutch replacement. So yeah, that's it guys. It's our first car for the day, and we're gonna take so much time here. So yeah, thank you for watching. Werhu works. Thank you.